Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're here in La Residencia, Santa Rosa, Laguna to feature this 4-bedroom modern home. If you're new to my channel, I'm Armand Cruz. I'm a real estate broker here in the Philippines and I sell properties in Laguna, Cavite, and Batangas. So if you're looking for a property or looking to sell your property, I invite you to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, or you can also contact us on our Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage. The number is posted on the screen. We're also on social media. We have Facebook and Instagram. Or if you're just looking for a property and you just want to get updated with the latest news, you can go on our Viber community. The link is on the description box. So let's go and continue our house tour. This house sits in a lot area of 150 square meters with a floor area of 220 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 toilet and bath, a carport that can fit 2 cars, a maid's room with its own toilet and bath. You also have a space for your pocket garden, a service area. So tara, ikutin natin yung labas ng bahay. Okay, so as you can see, the exterior house or the design of the property is modern, contemporary. You have a mixture of your warm or earth colors. You have your brown color there. You have your gray. You also have your off-white paint for the exterior of the house. And dito pa lang sa labas, kita nyo naman na we have the fence and gate included. The frontage of the property, by the way, is almost 10 meters. You can easily fit your 2 carport. And then, pasok na tayo dito sa pedestrian gate natin. Now, this house has been recently turned over last month lang. So, this will be posted hopefully by May. It was turned over last April. So, as you can see, yung landscaping natin is still being finished or parang pinapatubo pa lang yung mga halaman. Pero this will be, just imagine, it will look very welcoming kapag natapos na po ito. Now, right across, so before we enter the house, ikot muna tayo sa labas. So, right across our small pocket garden in front will be your 2 carport. Now, this can easily fit your sedan and also your SUV. Now, kapag medyo mahaba yung sasakyan natin, let's say a van or a pickup, baka pwede natin i-park dito sa side na to. Kasi you can partially extend yung front or yung nguso ng sasakyan natin dito sa unahan. Our carport is already tiled. You also have yung mga access natin to our septic tank here in the carport. You have your faucet or garden faucet. You have your ceiling. You have your lighting. By the way, the lighting or all of the lightings in the house has 3 colors. You have your warm, you have your yellow, and you also have your white. So as we move a little bit further here in the carport, just imagine kapag pumasok po kayo dito, you have groceries. You can actually go directly to your kitchen. Now, before that, you also have your maid's room here. So you have your maid's room. Ito pong maid's room natin can fit your single bed or maybe your double deck. And then meron po silang sariling toilet and bath. This is actually a full toilet and bath with a shower and also their own toilet. So at least they don't need to go inside. They can have their own space or private space dito po sa labas ng bahay. Now, as we move a little bit further, we have our service kitchen. So medyo makalat lang po siya. So don't mind po yung kalat. This house is still being finished. So you have your counter here with your faucet and also you have your sink. And then as you can see, maganda rin po yung ginamit na sink and also faucet niya. As I move a little bit further, dito po sa likod ng property will be your a space or private space that can be an extension of your dining. So tapos na tayo dito sa labas, pasok naman tayo sa loob ng bahay. As we enter the house, we will be greeted with our solid wood door, and you also have your black matte finish accents all throughout the house. This will be seen sa mga switches natin, dito sa mga door handles natin, sa ating key, mga key holders natin. So, as we enter, we'll be greeted by our living area. What I like about this house, specifically, yung living area niya is just the right space. Or we can say it's spacious, especially if you get the right size furniture. You don't get too big furnitures. Tama lang po siya. As you can see, kasama na po yung ceiling fan natin. This has 3 modes. You have your light, tapos meron tayong 3 modes or 3 types of wind na malakas. This is actually very nice kasi it cools the house. I really like it kasi it feels breezy, pero hindi siya yung sobrang harsh kasi may mga fans na talagang sobrang lakas. Medyo magkakasakit ka na. So, yung lighting natin, you have your pin lights, your LED lights, you have your cove lights. And also, yung lighting po natin all throughout the house has 3 colors. You have your warm, you have your yellow, and you also have your white. So, as I move a little bit further, we'll be crossing itong stairs natin, which is nice, but with what they did, naging divider siya. So you will know immediately kung nasan ka, or you have that separation from your living, also your dining. Now, after the stairs will be, right in front of it, will be the powder room. So what I like about the powder room, ang ganda ng design niya. It gives you that very warm and modern feel. You have your teal, you have your stone finish walls, and you have your very beautiful tiles. Now, right across will be our dining area, which can easily fit your 8 or 6-seater dining table. Now, if you want to fit a 10-seater, siguro pipili lang kayo na smaller furnitures. Pero 6 and 8, sobrang luwag na po niya. You can even place a small table there at the back and then put a mirror para meron kayong buffet table. Or if you don't want to put the buffet table, you can just utilize your counter here in your kitchen. So it will come inclusive of your chandelier. Now, right across our dining area will be our kitchen inside the house. This is, counter natin is synthetic granite. You have your lights here, which you can actually place 2 chairs, wherein you can have your breakfast instead of sitting down at the dining table. You just have breakfast here, or you can maybe do some work. This is how Filipinos like to work in the kitchen. You also have your cabinetry. You have a lot of cabinet space. This is a very well thought of house. Ang dami po niyang cabinet space that you can utilize. You can actually place an oven here if you want. This is your space for your single door or double door refrigerator, and it has also cabinetry on top. You also have your space for your range hood and cooktop. You have your range hood here and your cooktop. And what's nice about this kitchen is kasama na rin yung mga dish racks natin. So you don't have to think about it. It's already included in the turnover. You just need to move in. But if you are very particular with the kitchen, you can still make a little bit modifications. But you also have here on the side, so meron tayong mga condiment holders. And you also have your dual sink, okay, for your washing, so you can wash here and then you can dry here. And then meron din tayong panlinis ng ating mga glasses or mga wine glasses. So that thing I really like kasi makes life easier. Now, here in our kitchen will be the access door to our service, and also you also have your indoor laundry area. So this one I really appreciate because you can do your laundry inside, you can do your folding inside, you can have everything here. So what's nice about that, habang naglilinis sa loob si Yaya or si house help or ikayo, if you're cleaning inside the house or you're cooking, you can see what's happening dun sa mga laundry mo. And then, lalabas ka na lang to dry it off. But if you have a very good laundry machine, you don't need to go out anymore. We're done here in the ground floor. Let's go upstairs and explore the second floor. Welcome to the second floor. Let's just admire yung chandelier natin dito sa ating staircase. It's very nice, very warm, it really is pasok dun sa design ng house. And you know what? I like the stairs because you have the cement below, but you have still that wooden finishes that gives you that warm feeling that you're inside the house. Now, as we enter, this is the second floor. I forgot to mention dun sa ground floor natin, yung finish natin is tiles. Now here, ang ginagamit po natin is SPC. Now this is a better option than your vinyl tiles. This is SPC flooring. It's as if para kang nag-wood flooring pero hindi. This is synthetic po na tiles na it's still good for the feet, para sa rayuma, para hindi rin sobrang lamig sa paa when you wake up. So it's very, very nice. This is actually the first time that I have encountered this one. And I have seen other houses recently na ito na yung ginagamit. So, expect na maraming houses na gagamitin to ngayon. So, here in the second floor, you have your common toilet and bath. This comes complete with your sink. You also have your toilet, you have your bidet, and then you have your shower. Now, dito po, you have the drop. So, para yung water natin, pababa siya dito sa drain natin. So, you can just put your shower curtain or maybe you can put a glass enclosure. Now, also, they also included this niche, this long niche wherein you can put your soap, you can put your shampoo, and you can put the things that you need while taking a bath. Now, right beside the toilet and bath would be our two common bedrooms, sorry. So these two common bedrooms, very identical in size and shape. Now, this can fit your semi-double bed and single bed. Now, if you prefer, pwede rin double deck. Ang maganda lang po dito sa mga rooms natin, it comes complete with your cabinet. This is a full-size cabinet. So this is what I like about houses here in the New Valley area. It comes complete with your cabinets. You can hang your clothes. You can actually fold your clothes and put them here. So this is a lot of storage for your family. You just need to bring your mattress and in your clothes, pwede na tayong tumira dyan. So right across, very identical lang. Same na same. It's very similar to the first bedroom here in the second floor. By the way, you would notice that all throughout the house, you have this connector for your LAN. So this property is ready to connect sa internet dun sa baba. So you have your entry downstairs na hindi you don't need to bring the cable all over the house. It will look messy. So this one, the provider would just insert their cable and then meron na tayong internet sa buong bahay. That's really, really nice because if you want stronger internet, you can use your LAN, especially if you're gaming, you're working from home, mas maganda talaga naka-LAN ka. Now, isa rin magandang feature ng bahay na to is the hallway. Some hallways, tinipid yung size. Ngayon, ang maganda dito, maluwag po yung hallway niya. I'm 5'7", 5'6", so I extend my hand. Kasyang-kasya po or maluwag pa po siya. Now, you can actually still place a table here so that you can, maybe an altar, it depends on you. You can put a mirror here, it depends. Now, let's go to the second bedroom or the third bedroom of the house. This is bigger as compared to the first two. You can actually put, or pwede ka maglagay dito ng semi-double, double bed, or even a queen size because you already have your cabinet ready. Again, you have your LED lights, you have your big big windows that gives that ample lighting, and then ito pong room na to has a specific feature as compared to the first two rooms. They are sharing a toilet and bath. This one has its own toilet and bath, which can be perfect for maybe a guest room or maybe for your kids. You can actually convert the two other rooms for maybe a fitness room or maybe an office, and then if you have a kid, pwede na siya dito kasi meron siyang sariling toilet and bath. Very similar to the common toilet and bath that you saw first here in the second floor. Your niche, your shower, you have your toilet with a bidet, and also you have your sink. Alright, let's proceed to the master's bedroom. I'm really excited with the master's bedroom. It's the biggest room in the house. You also have your own balcony. Now this one, you can easily fit your king-size bed, kasyang-kasya po siya. And then you also have a big sliding glass door looking out to your balcony. So yung balcony natin, it's L-shaped. It's wrapped around your master's bedroom. So you can still put maybe a sofa or maybe small tables and chairs so that you can lounge around in the morning and sit down or wind down in the evening. Kasi ang ganda po dito sa La Residencia. Ito pong part ng La Residencia na to, ito yung sa mga mapupunong lugar sa La Residencia. So very spacious. Now here in the master's bedroom, you would notice na meron po siyang cove lighting. You also have your all LED lights in the corners. You have an abundant number of sockets, and then you also have your LAN, and also meron ka ring connector for your TV. Now dito rin sa master's bedroom, we have your walk-in closet. It's just the right size. I don't know, for some ladies, syempre, mas marami silang damit. Mas gusto nila mas malaki. Pero, this is just the right size. It's just a good size. So you can fold your linens here. You can hang your clothes here. And what's nice about that, hindi po siya gumamit ng swiveling door. Ang ginamit po niya is sliding or barnyard door. So, kahit paano space saver po siya. And then, here in the walk-in closet will be leading to our master toilet and bath. Now, this is slightly bigger as compared to the first two ones. Kung kanina rectangular po siya, ngayon this is squarish. You have a bigger shower space, diba? And then you have a longer niche. You have a bigger shower. You also have a toilet, and you also have a sink with your own counter. So may granite na rin siya, and then you also have a cabinet here. Just imagine, and then you also have this small lighting here on the side, which adds to that effect. Thank you for watching our house tour for today. If you would like to see this house in the actual, or you would like to know more about this property, you can contact us in the contact information posted on the screen. Now, if you're still looking around and you would like to get updated with the latest properties that we are selling here in Live in the South, you can join us in our Viber community. The link is on the description box, and nandyan rin po yan sa comment section natin. Once again, this is Arman Cruz, and I hope to see you soon in my next house tours. Bye guys!